time you realise there's someone else here other than Watson. Yes, I'll take a minute.
Thank you, Rory.
Anytime, Watson. Speak to your friend about his manners, dog.
Don't mind him. He gets grumpy from time to time. Well, that was a wonderful performance by the magnificent Nina, wouldn't you say so, Mr. Holmes?
Thank God it's nearly over.
Now, let's pass you over to our very own Master Chef to welcome our final act of the evening.
Hello, ladies and gentlemen. We have gathered the finest chefs from around the globe to take our taste buds. Please put your hands together for our first chef of the evening. Howdy, my name is Chef Ronald. I'm from a good old USA. I'm cooking you the most authentic meal you have ever eaten. The secret recipe has been passed down through a generation. I come from a family of chefs. My father was a famous chef. My father's father was a world famous chef.
You mean your grandfather?
Yes, of course. And my father's father's father was.
Oh, okay, we get it already. Was another famous chef, right?
No. Actually, he was just a painter. He just really liked to eat.
What's all of this talk of bankers, my dear Watson? This is a waste of time.
Sure. Let's give him a chance. Maybe he will surprise you.
And surprise you I will. You won't be disappointed. Thanks, America Chef. Let's move on to our next chef from the Far East. Konnichiwa. I come from the land of the rising sun, home of samurai warriors, the great nation of Japan.
Please tell us your name.
My name is Chef Naruto Shinko Mezugashi Wataru Itahari Yamamoto.
Welcome, Chef Nari Shinichi. What's Yamaha?
Sorry, Chef. Watson was being rude. Could you say your name again?
My name is Chef Naruto Shinko Mezugashi Wataru Itahari Yamamoto.
Welcome, Chef Nari Shinichi. It's Fujimoto.
Isn't that hard? Can you show the chef some respect? Chef, please repeat your name one last time. Watson isn't the sharpest tool in the box.
It's not that hard. My name is Chef Naruto Shinko Mezugashi Wataru Itahari Yamamoto. Thank you, Chef Naruto Shishiku Mishi. Every time I need to say it, Naruto Shinko Mezugashi Wataru Itahari Yamamoto. Forget it. You can just call me Joe. Joe, why didn't you say so? That's much easier to say than Naruto Shinko Mitsugoshi Wataru Itahari Yamamoto.
At least someone can say her name right, Watson.
Let's all welcome Chef Joe.
Today I will be preparing for you the exotic taste of the Orient. Sounds delicious, Joe. Let's move on to our third chef.
pancakes. Wait, Watson, that's not from France.
But pancakes are delicious, no?
Oh yes, I love pancakes.
Thank you, French chef. Merci beaucoup. Okay, let's welcome our last and final chef. I'm a chef Tom. My food is the one of the most famous in all of Taiwan. It is sold in over 5,000 locations around the island.
Wow, that is a lot of locations. What is the name of your restaurant, Chef Sai?
They are super famous. Take the list. They are open 24 hours a day, 7 days a week.
That's impossible. No restaurant is open 24 hours a day, 7 days a week. Not even the Queen's Kitchen is open that many hours, right, Watson?
Yeah, correct. But all of my locations are open 24 hours a day, 7 days a week. All year round, a single day off. That's ridiculous! How about during Chinese New Year? You may think it's ridiculous, but we are open 24 hours a day, 7 days a week. All year round, a single day off. Even during Chinese New Year.
Oh yeah? What about if there's a typhoon?
Or an earthquake?
And like you asked, but we are open 24 hours a day, 7 days a week. All year round, a single day off. Even during Chinese New Year, rain or shine, even when there's a typhoon, war and earthquake. You are open 24 hours a day, 7 days a week. All year round, not a single day off. Even during Chinese New Year, rain or shine, even when there's a typhoon or earthquake. Yes, yes, and yes.
Chef Sai, what is the name of this magnificent eatery? I highly doubt the probability that your claim is even true. You must tell us now.
The name of my place is 7-Eleven.
Hey, that's not even a fine dining establishment.
You are right. It's better than a fine dining establishment. I love 7-Eleven, and you can do everything there. You can even bring a pillow, buy a drink, and sleep there.
How do you know that, Watson?
Many memorable nights in 7-Eleven.
Okay, chef, here's your time to shine. America chef, are you ready? Yeah. Japanese chef, are you ready? French chef, are you ready? Taiwanese chef, are you ready? On your marks, get set, cook! Time's up. Whoa, everything smells so good. America chef, present your dish. I present to you the classic American meal. Yeah, 2 whole beef patties, special sauce, lettuce, cheese, pickles, onions, and sesame seed. But I present to you the best American meal.
Oh my gosh, that has to be the best meal tonight.
Watson, That's just a Big Mac. He didn't even take it out of the box. It's from the McDonald's down the street.
Yes, it's McDonald because my name is Ronald McDonald.
Yes! I love McDonald's.
Who doesn't?
People who value their health would be my first guess. I wouldn't even serve that to the Queen's corgis.
Cut the mass and flex, Mr. Holmes. Next for the Japanese chef. Please present your dish. Here is a secret to Japanese efficiency. A staple of every Japanese home and office. Especially magic. I present to you.
Oh my gosh! That has to be the best meal tonight!
Watson, stop being overly dramatic. You just said the same thing about the last meal. Japanese chef, are you kidding me? Those are just instant noodles. You haven't cooked anything. You literally just added hot water.
I told you it's magic. That does seem pretty magical. All right, for the next chef, please present your dish. I have prepared foie cooked sous vide, a reduction of mustard, seeds, and balsamic vinegar, served with a side of apple salad and truffle portobello dressing.
Watson, this will be an example of molecular gastronomy. This chef knows what she's doing.
God save the Queen. This has to be the best dish tonight.
She hasn't even opened the cover yet. Let her open it first. Monami, drum rolls, please. I present to you the perfect pudding. Bon appetit.
Huh?
Is that it? Fine dining is about quality, not quantity.
Yes, of course, I agree. Please bring the food to me so I can taste it.
No, it's not for just you.
Then who's it for? Me and Watson?
No. It's for everyone. Everyone? Yes, and the audience here tonight. Audience here, please enjoy. Holy guacamole, that's smaller than Walkman nuggets. Don't worry, we have one more dish from our final chef from Taiwan. Please present your dish. Thank you, Master Chef. This is a traditional Taiwanese delicacy. Prepare your palate. Truly a dish you'll never forget. Are you guys ready?
Ready.
Are you prepared to have your senses crossed?
Yes.
Do you want the best that Taiwan has to offer?
Yes.
Then I present to you the world famous
That's it, I've had enough. This is the punchline for the whole show. It stinks. The Queen's gonna have a heart attack.
What's wrong? Why did everybody know?
Don't worry about them. It just means more for me. Now this has to be the best dish tonight. God save the Queen!